Hello sweetie, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to do a new makeup inspired by this shimmer and peach color eyeshadow. And this is pretty simple. What you need to do is just focus on the eye makeup and a little bit on the lips. Are you ready for this makeup look? Let's get started. The first step, of course, is the base makeup. So today I'm going to use the Face Shop Anti-Darkening Cushion. I normally skip the base makeup, but for special occasions, sometimes I do put on the base makeup to cover all my dark circles and also my dark spots. And this is one of my favorite cushion recently because it covers all my imperfections, also giving it a fresh and bright look on my skin. Even after a few hours, my skin still looks pretty bright and not dull at all. Cushion foundations is the easiest base makeup ever. What you need to do is just pat the product all over your face, and as you can see, this is the before and after. After that, my skin feels really fresh and bright. Unlike other cushions, this one can last longer and also last for a few hours. It's like a whole day after my event and also my outdoor activity. My skin still feels very fresh and bright. Even a slightly dark circle, it can cover like 40% of it. And if you have serious dark circle problem, no worry, you can add on a concealer to conceal all your imperfections. And okay, let me check. So next I'm using this multi-stick, a contour stick that's suitable for our skin. It is actually a cream texture multi-stick, and you can blend it with your fingers, or you can use a brush and blend it well into your skin. And I really like this product because it's weightless and you don't feel like you're having such a heavy and contour product on your skin. You just feel really natural. Oh yeah, also it adds some dimensions to my face. Don't forget to contour your nose. It's time to hide away all my dark circles and dark spots. So now I'm using the liquid concealer from the Face Shop. This is the color N203. If your dark circle and dark spot is not serious, you can put the product on your hand first and apply it with your fingers. If you would like to have a more coverage, you can just simply apply the product straight away. If you have a tiny pimple around your face, just apply the product on the pimple. This is the new design eyebrow. Previously they having this in a triangle shape, but now it's a flat kind of pencil. It's easy to draw the line, and you see, you can even draw your eyebrow by using just this pencil. Now I'm going to outline my brow. A nice looking brow can really make a difference. And it's very easy to draw with just one stroke. Like this kind of pencil is suitable for all the beginners who like to draw a straight Korean looking eyebrow. Just brush. So today my makeup is more on a peach brown orangey tone. On my hand it's the Face Shop eyeshadow, and it's very cute. Come with different kind of color. You can get this single color eyeshadow or this dual color one. It's perfect for those who love to create a very gradient looking at 3D dimensions eyeshadow. And the best thing is the new design has this fun thing. It's very cute and you can pick your favorite color, customize and personalize your own eyeshadow palette. And every time when you travel, and you can just bring the one you want to go with. And this is your own makeup palette. I realized, right, most of the time when we purchase a whole eyeshadow makeup palette, we most probably just use like 3 to 4 color, and the rest we will just put there and then do nothing with it. So you can actually get this kind of eyeshadow which you only pick your favorite color and make it into this beautiful customized palette. First, I'm using this color BR02, and this is a very natural orange color. The color is really pigmented and you can easily see before after, right? So for the base, I just use the finger to apply all over my eyelid, brown, and I'm using this eyeshadow brush, doing a very natural kind of 3D effect on my eyelid. So this is the after. After that, I'm using this color CR01, a shimmer light brown color. I just apply at the center of my eyelid. And a little bit of shimmer. I'm using ink gel pencil eyeliner number 12, and it's a very pretty peach shimmer color. So next I'm using also the ink gel but in a different color. This is color 04, and like the previous, the one I'm using for the eye, and it has this sharpener at the back where you can sharpen your gel eyeliner. I'm drawing the inner eyeliner. I'm using the Fat Velvet lipstick. It's the new product from the Face Shop, and I'm loving this. Love this so much, because this flat lipstick design make you easily draw and outline your lips, and giving it a bold color looking lips. Is very pigmented, and the color payoff is really nice. So I'm going to try this now. Actually, I tried this before. I'm using this during my meet and greet sessions, and so now I'm going to try it for you guys. It really reached those inner color of the lid. Very long lasting. Personally, I really like this flat lipstick because it's very easy to use and it's super long lasting. even after your meal, you still can see the color remain on your lips. And most importantly is matte lipstick. For those who don't like those shimmer lipstick, and this is the kind of matte lipstick for you. And the color payoff is just exactly like the color that you see on the packaging, and thumbs up for this. And last but not least, mascara. And this is the new 2-in-1 curling mascara. There's this little magic on the mascara itself, like you can open this. This is one, the slim one, and there's this big one. 2-in-1 in this mascara. So the first step, I'm going to use the big one. The thin one is to brush your bottom lashes and those front lashes that is really tiny and short. So just one layer. As you can see, my eyelashes is really long and curved. To curl your lashes and hold the shades for the whole day. I'm using this small one, the front lashes and the bottom lashes. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this makeup tutorial, and I will see you on my next video. Bye everyone!